Welcome to my YouTube channel Select Lifestyle. In this video, we will show you different room light decoration ideas. Fancy light decorations can transform any space into a mesmerizing and enchanting environment. Whether it's for a special occasion like a wedding, a festive celebration, or simply to add a touch of elegance to your everyday surroundings, fancy light decorations can work wonders in setting the mood and ambience. One popular choice for fancy light decoration is string lights. These delicate strands of lights come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, allowing for endless possibilities in creating stunning visual displays. Whether draped along walls, hung from ceilings, or intertwined with foliage, string lights can instantly add a magical glow to any setting. Another option for fancy light decoration is LED light panels or strips. These modern lighting solutions offer customizable colors and effects, allowing you to create dynamic and eye-catching displays. Whether used to illuminate architectural features, accentuate artwork, or create striking patterns, LED light panels can elevate the aesthetic appeal of any space. For a more extravagant touch, consider incorporating chandeliers or pendant lights into your decor scheme. These statement pieces not only provide illumination but also serve as works of art in their own right, adding sophistication and glamour to any room. Whether opting for classic crystal chandeliers or contemporary minimalist designs, choosing the right lighting fixture can truly elevate the overall ambience of your space. In addition to traditional indoor lighting, outdoor spaces can also benefit from fancy light decoration. From twinkling fairy lights adorning trees and bushes to colorful lanterns illuminating pathways, outdoor light decorations can create a magical atmosphere for evening gatherings and events. Theme-based lighting, tailoring your light decorations to a specific theme, can create a cohesive and visually striking ambience. For example, for a romantic evening, you might opt for soft, warm lighting with candlelight accents, while a futuristic theme could incorporate sleek LED panels and neon accents. Lighting installations, create immersive experiences with lighting installations that engage multiple senses. This could include interactive light displays that respond to sound or movement, or even incorporate elements like mist or fragrance to enhance the ambience further. Projection mapping. Projection mapping technology allows you to transform ordinary surfaces into dynamic canvases for light and imagery. Whether it's projecting intricate patterns onto walls, ceilings, or even the facade of a building, projection mapping adds depth and dimension to your light decorations. Floating lights. For outdoor settings such as ponds or pools, consider incorporating floating lights. These could be floating lanterns, LED orbs, or even waterproof LED candles, adding a magical touch to the water's surface. Light sculptures. Explore the artistry of light by creating custom light sculptures using materials such as wire, acrylic, or even recycled materials. These sculptures can take on various forms, from abstract geometric shapes to whimsical figures, serving as focal points in your decor. Customized signage and lettering. Use light to spell out messages, quotes, or names in a creative and visually impactful way. Whether it's through illuminated marquee letters, neon signage, or custom LED displays, personalized lighting elements add a touch of personality and charm to your decor. Underlighting and uplighting. Experiment with different lighting angles and placements to highlight architectural features, artwork, or decorative elements. Underlighting can create dramatic silhouettes, while uplighting adds depth and dimension to vertical surfaces. Mixing light sources. Combine different types of light sources, such as candles, incandescent bulbs, and LED fixtures, to create depth and texture in your lighting design. Each type of light has its unique qualities, and blending them together can produce visually stunning results. In conclusion, fancy light decoration offers a myriad of creative possibilities to enhance any space, whether it's for a special event or simply to elevate everyday surroundings. From the subtle elegance of string lights to the dazzling spectacle of projection mapping, the artistry of light can transform environments, evoke emotions, and create unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Select Lifestyle to get more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another informative video. Take care and goodbye.